Good day. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to cut a pant trouser. So the first thing you do is to rule a straight line. Then you measure the length of the trouser. So the length of this trouser is 36.5 inches. Then you mark 2 inches for the turning. We also mark the half length of the trouser, which is 19 inches. So let's mark 7 inches for where the pocket will be. So let's quickly connect these two lines together. The waist of the trouser is 32. So 32 divided by 4 will give us 8 plus 1 inch. So it will be 9 inches and 9 inches here as well. So for the length of the crotch is the waist divided by 4 plus 1.5. So we are having 9.25 here. So we join this line together. So the thigh is 24 inches. So you leave we leave half inch here. So 24 divided by 4 is 12 inches. So you just mark 12 inches here. Mark 12 inches here as well. Make sure you leave half inch. So down to the length of the. So the next thing is to get the middle line of the trouser. So to get the middle line, we use 12 inch is for the thigh. So you mark 6. So you put it here, you mark 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So from here to here is 6. So from here to here is also 6. So after you've done rule the middle line, you draw the curve for the crotch. So the next thing you do is to reduce the crotch by half inch. So we reduce the crotch by half inch. So after that, the round knee is 16.5. So 16.5 divided by 2 will give us 8 and quarter. So to get 8 and quarter, we have 4 and a bar at this side, 4 and a bar at this side to make 8 and quarter. 4 and a bar, 4 and a bar to make 8 and quarter. Right, for this we have 13.5. So 13.5 will give us so for the down we use 13. So 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So we're having 3 and quarter here and 3 and quarter here, 3 quarter, 3 quarter. While here we're having 8 and quarter, which is 16.5. So 4 and a bar, 4 and a bar. Need the tie. So we join the lines together now. So you connect the lines the points together. So you use your leg curve to draw this. There is an hip curve. You use it to draw this. Then you roll this one with this. Then you draw the leg curve to make the shape. Then you cut out the front. This is the front part of the trouser. So the front part has been cut. So we place it on the fabrics to cut the back part of the trouser. So we place it on the fabrics to cut the back part. So we have traced out one part of the, so I'll extend it and add some inches to it. So at this down part you add 2 inches, you extend it by 2 inches, so it will increase upward. This one will be 2.5 inches, while this one will be 2.75, while this one is 3 inches. So at this part you extend it by 3.5. Right at this part is 1.5 inches. So at this upper part, you extend it by 2 inches. Then you connect it with this. And you cut this part as well. Once you use this, once you get to this part, you raise it up and let it go inside the half inch. So this is your trouser.